Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about something very special. I'm kind of late on it, but it doesn't matter. We're going to review it today. But before we get started, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you are notified when I post. And yeah, come join the fam. If you guys want to know what I'm going to be talking about today, please keep on watching. So today, guys, we're gonna be talking about this red box right here. I know you guys may be thinking like, what is inside that red box? So let me show you guys. I'm going to cover up the address, obviously, for you know, my safety, but this is what it is, and it's a bonnet from NPTressTreats. Sorry if I butchered that up, but it's NPTressTreats. And I'm super excited to see this because I actually got a custom made bonnet, and so I want to show you guys. So this is kind of like an unboxing, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. I honestly ordered this probably like a month and a half ago, or maybe even more, and I honestly have not opened it, and I'm super excited to open it. So let's see. This is my receipt and everything. Let me see if it has anything important in here. Okay, so this is what the box looks like, and it is, let me open it up real quick. Oh my gosh, you guys, the packaging, look at the packaging, you guys. This is so pretty. Look at the packaging. I'm super excited. So it comes with this cute little card, just a little thank you card, and it says sleep cute, wake up cute, be cute. And then it says, to be honest, you're the best. Thank you for choosing Tress Treats. Your support brightens my day. Thank you for being part of the MP family. Words cannot express how grateful I am for your support. With love, the first material in your Tress Treats is love. Everything at Tress Treats is done with love. I do the happy dance when you love Tress Treats. It would mean so much to me for you to share your love with us on social media. So I'm going to link all the information in the description box so you guys can actually go check out her Instagram and actually go check out her website. She has a bunch of different like little what's it called, designs and things like that, so you guys can definitely go check her out. I wanted to get a custom made one, but you guys definitely don't have to. She already comes with little like packages and everything that you can purchase. So yeah, you guys can go on ahead and pretty much, you know, go check it out. And it comes with this cute little pen, and it actually says the company name on it, and this cute little like card, I guess, like business card, and a little moisturizing hair and body oil. So let me open it up real quick. I just want to smell it. Let me see. Ooh, oh my god, that smells so, ooh my goodness, this smells so good. Let me put it on my body. Ooh, it's moisturizing. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. Okay, let me just put this to the side. So we're gonna go on ahead and open the little actual package or little box that my bonnet came in. Let me show you guys. Ooh, I didn't mean to throw that, but this is what it looks like. Oh, got the little things on it. Cute and simple. And we're just gonna unwrap it or unravel this thing. I don't want to mess it up. Ooh. Okay. Well, we messed it up. It's okay. And it comes with this little tape. I don't want to mess up the whole entire box, but I feel like I'm doing a terrible job at unboxing this thing. And so it comes with this. Oh my god, this is super cute. It comes with this little like scrunchie, and it says Curls Academy on it. So I'm super excited because and it comes with this little card. And I love how she tells you exactly how to like wash it. It does say hand wash only, so she doesn't recommend to put it in the wash, just throw your bonnet in the washer, which I think is really, really cool. And this is what the bonnet actually looks like, you guys. This is so, and it smells amazing. And then it has a lavender smell or something like that. And the inside is yellow because of course my favorite color is yellow. And the outside, and it actually has my initials on it. Like, this is super cute. Let me see if you guys can see it. It has my initials on it, sparkling, and and it says Curls Academy on it. Let me see if I can kind of get it to pop up. It says Curls Academy on it. Super duper cute. Let me put it on. I got the large, or the, not the, hold on, is it the large? Well, I don't know if it's the large, but I don't know if it's the large. I can't remember what the color is. I mean, what the size is, sorry. And it comes in this little thing comes with it where you can save your bonnet and you can put it in there, which I think is super cool because, and it comes with a little care card, and it tells you how to wash them and to use cold water, and it tells you everything, all the good information. But this little thing that I was talking about, you can actually save your bonnet in here, which I think is super cool because I'm the type of person that I literally lose everything. When I wake up in the morning, just take off my bonnet and throw it anywhere, and just, I'm a mess. But I love the scrunchie, and I also love the bonnet and everything that came with it. I love how she has all these cute little like things that come with it and tell you like how to wash it, how to do this, how to do that. I love it. I think you guys should definitely go check her out. It was worth the money, and it's really good quality. You want a really good like satin bonnet. Like, I have a bonnet that I use to go to sleep, which is satin. I mean, it's kind of like whatever, you know, it's not like fancy or anything like that, but I love the fact that I have this one, and now I can kind of switch them out. So while I'm washing the other one, because usually if I'm washing the other one, I'll just go to sleep with like nothing on it, nothing on my hair. I know that's horrible, but you know, now while the other one is washing, I can have this one on and I'm still protecting my hair. So I love this. Thank you so much, NPTressTreats. And I hope you guys love this video. I know it's kind of short, but I kind of wanted to give her a shout out because on top of that, she has amazing customer service. Like, she was nice the whole entire way. I had some issues because I actually made a mistake while ordering my bonnet, and she quickly sent me an email, quickly rectified it, and like, she was just so nice. And that's what customer service is all about. And even the packaging, everything, like, she's just, I love her business, and I'm gonna continue to support her. And that's why I'm making this video and putting out this information so you guys can go check her out. And I'm just so excited, you guys, because I got my bonnet and I finally opened it. I was saving it specifically for this video because I wanted to make an unboxing video for her, for this bonnet. So I'm super excited. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to visit her website and follow her on Instagram. The description, everything is going to be in the description below. So thank you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you are subscribed, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.